Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting in Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. If you're using S21 FE and you're facing the issue that your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to scroll to the control center and enable and disable your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh with your network settings. And once you have done, just go back and go to settings here. Make sure that your phone have any pending software update. Because sometimes it might be that when your phone have any pending network software update or your phone is installing any software update, so you might get these type errors. Make sure that you have any pending software update, then scroll in control center and just restart your phone. After a restart, if there will be any glitch or any error with your software, it might be fixed in the step, so then you might not get the issue. If you're still facing the same issue, go to settings here and go to connections, go to Wi-Fi, keep a long press on your Wi-Fi or you can click settings here, click forget. And once you have forgotten, you have to re-click on that Wi-Fi here and just retry to connect with that network here. And once you are reconnected, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so there's the only way, just scroll down your control center or just scroll down your settings here, go to general management here, go to reset, go to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, click on reset settings. It will completely reset your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth setting. It will also delete your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth saved devices. So once you have done, just go to Wi-Fi settings back and your connections, go to Wi-Fi settings here, reselect that Wi-Fi network, and you just have to retry to connect with that same Wi-Fi here. So once you have done, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.